Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how you can set up a min and max quantity order in your WooCommerce website. So in this video I am going to show you here. If you will see in my shop page, the current quantity is only one quantity, and if you want to set, like if someone want to purchase it, the minimum order quantity should be 10. Then how you can set that one, and what will be the maximum order quantity, how you can set up that one, I am going to explain you everything in this video. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you. Now let's start doing this. So first of all, here again I have to go to my WordPress dashboard, and now once you are in the dashboard, we are going to use a plugin over here. So hover over this plugin and click on this add new. Now once you will click on this add new, in the search plugin you have to search for min max quantity, and whenever you will search for min max quantity, you are going to get a list of plugins over here, and the one that we are going to use is this min max quantity and step control for WooCommerce by Code Astrology. So this is one that we are going to use for this video, and you can use other plugins also, but this is I am going to use now. So let's click on this install now button and let's wait till this installation completed. Once this installation will complete, then we can move further. Alright, here you can see that it is already installed. So let's click on this activate button and activate this plugin. Once you will activate this plugin, it will redirect you to this okay, we are in the plugins page again. So whenever you will hover over this WooCommerce, you are going to get this min max step quantity. So this is where you have to go and set up it. Like here you can see this is the minimum quantity you want to order. So here you can set it like minimum 10 and maximum quantity is 100, and then quantity step. So if you will see in this website product page, if whenever I am clicking on this plus icon, it is increasing by 1. So how you want to increase it, that is the quantity step, and I want to increase the quantity step by 5. And then default quantity, if you want to set anything you can set, and order page condition if you want to make it on. And as you can see that by default it choose all the categories that we have 3 categories, and it has chosen all those 3 categories over here. After that, here if you want to set it like choose category, whatever category you want to add, other terms you can do, and there are other settings also, minimum quantity of product, and these are the messages. If you want to edit those messages, like step validation SMS, please enter a valid value. The two nearest valid value are should be min and should next. This is how the errors are going to come. So now let's click on this save change, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh this page. Once you will refresh this page, you are going to get, as you can see, 10. When I will click on this plus icon, it should be increased with 5, and if I will give here 11, as you can see I am getting a red color. It means it is not getting, I am getting this error over here whenever I am clicking on this 11 number. But still it's, I think it's in there, your cart is currently empty, like it is not working, because whenever I am clicking on this, okay, it is increasing. So let me give it 10 only, and if I want to decrease it, so let's give it 2, and let's see add to cart, and it is not getting added to cart. If you will see in my cart, nothing is there, but if I will make it to 20 and then click on add to cart, then here you can see it has added to the cart with 20 quantity. So in this way you can set, if I will try to add 200 quantities by clicking on this add to cart, as maximum order limit is 100, as you can see, like it is still 20 only, there is no 200. So in this way, this is the criteria how you can set up like minimum and maximum order quantity. So here, and let me show you another way, product wise how you can set. So whenever, if you will go to this product tab, here we have, so let's go to this product setting, and here you can pick any of a single product like this one I had picked it, and here in this only you will going to get this min, max and step. So for this particular product, if you want to give your minimum quantity as 5 and default maximum quantity as 25 or 30, and quantity step as 2. So for this product it will work. Let me update it, and I will open this product in a new tab and I will show it to you. So as you can see, the product is getting loaded. So here you can see the minimum quantity has came to 5, and when I am clicking on this plus icon, it is getting 2, as we have set the quantity step as 2, so that's why it is adding 2. Now when in 29, if I will try to add to cart, it will not work because we have set the minimum quantity as I think how much minimum quantity, min max, okay, maximum quantity we have set it as 30, so it will work. But in 35, if I will try to add to cart, it won't work. As you can see, we have only 29 items in the cart, because it is not going to work as we have set the min and max quantity step over here. So this is it for this video. In this video I have completely explained you how to set up a minimum maximum quantity for a product. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.